Seems to be that there was a wind noise between the cab and the hood of a Nexus International chassis vehicle with especially my Wraith. I was talking to a friend of mine at a rally, and he was telling me that he had come up with a situation on how to fix that noise. In this video, we're going to show you exactly what was done to fix it, and guess what? It did fix the noise from the wind. So let's move forward and look at what you have to do. It's such an easy fix. Many of you that have Nexus RVs might have noticed this. There is a gap between the hood and the cab of about, probably almost an inch or so. As you're driving, the wind comes around, and it's on both sides of your RV. As the wind comes through, you can get kind of a wind noise effect from the actual hood and cab. And you'll get it on both sides. The passenger can hear it and the driver can hear it. Ron Protho, which many of you know in the Nexus owners group, he told me about this fix for that, and so I wanted to pass it on to you. He just took a piece of wiper blade material, the rubber wiper blade material, and it comes in as you can see, it's pretty wide, and it has a ridge that will snap right onto the cab and hold itself in place. And then simply you just push it in there. This part goes, of course, inside your hood area when you close the hood, and then you just firm it all the way down to the bottom. And it's amazing how it cuts that wind noise out of there. Many people have described it as maybe even a whistle. So anyway, I just wanted to pass that on to you, and it's just a really easy fix. You can buy this wiper blade material, and it's a special type that you want to get, and you can get it through Amazon, and I will link the product in the description of this video. So anyway, I just wanted to pass that on to you. It really works well. It's amazing. Ron, thank you very much for your tip. This gives you a little bit of a look at that snap-on part at the bottom. That would be snapping onto your cab, as you can see there, and gives you a little bit better idea how it actually fits on the actual cab itself. And this is the Amazon page that I'm going to link for you to use.